Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we learn how to convert low resolution photo into high resolution in Remini application. First we check the image details before the editing. We can see the photo size before the enhance is 153 kilobytes. Open Remini application. Select the photo. Then click on Enhance button. It may take time for enhancing. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. After some process you can see the result. You can clearly see the difference between before and after results. There are V1 and V2 options for improving the photo quality. Click on top right download button and download the image. After download the photo, go to gallery and check photo details. After improve the photo quality, photo size changed 153 kilobytes to 315 kilobytes. Thank you for watching my video.